Well, it's that time of the year again. Snow is here. Ta-da! Not a whole lot up here in Lewiston, but Niagara Falls, I guess, got a little bit. So we're heading out up there just to clean things up. It's about 4 in the morning right now. A little bit of ice. Nothing real crazy. So we'll get her done. Heading up to just check a few things out. So, alright. You know the routine. Let's get after it. Alright, we're on site here in the falls. Not much action going on. A little bit of coverage. I think we can scrape some of this off. We're gonna try at least. So, here's our new secret weapon we just got. Not really secret, but just a weapon. Finally gonna try one of these Arctic pushers I've been talking about for a couple of years on the T76 for now. We'll see how it works. I know with this machine, with the suspension, it doesn't like to, the arms don't go down as low as some of the other machines. So that's a negative. So, yeah, decent amount of snow up here on the machine. Nice and cold. She didn't like that. Alright, well, you can see there's not much to plow. I do in fact have my tinnies, as some would like to see. We're just doing a little scrape down. There's a lot of ice out here right now. Definitely gonna need some salt. But I had heard these Arctic plows, you know, take them and you'll save on salt if you scrape down nothing. I think this would scrape up better if it wasn't a sheet of ice. But we're flying right through this parking lot, and then salt truck come by and salt her up. So let's keep getting after it. I'm just supervising today, making sure the salt's getting put down and stuff like that. Oh my gosh, where is he going? Got the Salt Dog Pro 3000, the 3-yarder with the 6-inch auger. Pretty heavy duty unit. It's pretty nice. Oh, you got it, you got it, you got it. What do you say, Randy?
Snow is, there's mountains out here. We're moving mountains. Yeah.
Very well. Vibrator working at all? Just say Vibe NC, eh?
Yep.
You did that last year too, huh?
Yep. And it just randomly worked. I wish you could adjust it, honestly.
Adjust the speeds?
Yeah.
Good point. I'll tell the guys that make the controller. No, really, because it's a test controller. I like the dial better. It was easier to manipulate. If they would just do the dial again and then just put a pause button on it, it'd be perfect. Yeah. It works on the small plows or the small salters. Now this truck's got heated mirrors, you know. I gotta get a new mirror. Somebody scratched it. Fire it up! Dude, I flew through that parking lot over there. I had this thing in 2-speed, and I ripped through the whole parking lot before they even got here. That's how it just glides across the pavement.
There he is.
What do you think, man?
Yeah, I passed the training.
What?
I passed the training.
Man, I don't have a checklist yet. We'll watch the video on it later. You got to just minute.
Yeah,
the rest of it goes down on its own. The other one, the wings are fixed, so you got to make sure you put it down flat because you could easily have it tilted like this and miss stuff. This one, you just kind of set it down and it does everything for you. Now we need to get another one.
Did my dad pick you up?
At your house? Man. What do you think? Did we get the front lot?
I did the little lot, yeah.
Salted it or whatever? I think we're done here.
Yeah, you already told me finish to here and go to home. It's snowing. Come in and clean it.
Someone coming to get you? You got a ride coming or I got to drop you off?
Oh, you're all right, man.
I'm not walking. What the heck, man?
I'm not walking.
Oh, take it the bucket. Take it the bucket.
You gonna drive it home?
Your wife would be like, Jojo, you want a new car?
I'm just parking it up there. See the bucket? Face it. Have it facing that way. Because the wind's coming in and it's putting snow all over the windshield. Leave that all hooked up. Just face it that way. Okay, okay. Good night. Man. Yeah, so anyway, we need to get another one of them. So much faster. I would never be able to go as fast as I did with that rubber pusher and scrape.
Why?
Because the rubber, to actually get it to scrape anything, you got to put the edge down like so far to actually hit the ground.
So it's basically just a plow and then the sides just build.
Basically, yeah. But the sections move up and down.
Yeah, Greater Niagara was going there. Parking lots up there. We don't even have to shovel that first.
Until somebody drives into the building. I wonder if we can move them back.
There's nothing in between.
or just push them onto the sidewalk so that along the sidewalk is smaller. Yeah, I don't know. I would want to ask them first before we, or women's medicine. Those stupid things. Are those still in there? We should just push those off the blacktop and leave them off there.
We do, normally.
Yeah, but I mean just not bring them back in the spring.
Oh yeah, we whack around every week?
No, just push them off into the weeds.
Alright, I gotta go to the other side, maybe another pass through over there.
Okay.